All right, already put the online sale up. This is about my 4th cup of coffee. My husband had me up at, 4 o'clock in the morning wanting to play in the snow. Made him breakfast, talked to Madison at 7:30. Missy texted me at 8, and here we go, doing it from home today.
First thing this morning, I did our first email of the day. I haven't done the second one yet. So the first email was basically just telling everyone that we're closed. It's not some superb Photoshop thing. I only really started doing Photoshop in August. And let me tell you, the learning curve is kind of insane. But so right now I'm just gonna wash my face, get my day started.
Are we gonna post? Post on Instagram?
Yeah. So my husband went to check the store. In the meantime, we have, this is Tammy's list of agendas this year and the year coming. My podcast, Surviving Main Street, is launching in a couple of weeks with my first interview, my ex-brother-in-law from Connecticut. So I have all these notes. He's supposed to call me in a little while, all these little questions that I want to ask him. He has his own business down there in Fairfield County, Connecticut, where I grew up. And so we're going to be trying to get him on the phone today and get some good material for our new podcast. And in between now and then, I am revisiting my notes about launching our membership site for small business owners that want to launch. These are all my notes, and literally this one's the last 24 hours. This is what I do outside of Wicked Thrift. I know. It's painful. It's painful to watch. It's painful to see. What am I doing? So yeah, here's a clean page. We'll see what that looks like by 4 p.m. today.
So my first attempt at an app video is very chaotic. I don't know if I actually like it or if it gets any point across. So now I'm just gonna post on Instagram, and today's sale is handbags and accessories, so we're gonna hit that hard.
The podcast trailer to help everyone figure out what the heck is this podcast about. Well, I'm gonna play the trailer for you, and hopefully it will do its job.
Welcome to Surviving Main Street, a weekly podcast dedicated to small business survival on Main Street, America. I'm Tammy Veneri, and we'll go behind the scenes of restaurants, retail, service-based businesses, and everything in between. Let's find out how they're keeping their doors open, how they're adapting, what matters, and what's real. With interviews, Q&A, panel discussions, and hot topics, I really do hope you'll join us every week in support of small business owners and entrepreneurs everywhere.
Okay, not too shabby, but I will tell you, I am over it. I will edit the rest and shine it all up and make it extra pretty, probably tomorrow. For now, I am done with the podcast stuff, and I am moving on to other things for Wicked Thrift because, well, it's only 4:41, and we got another 6 or 7 hours to go in Wicked Thrift's day at least. Have a great night, everyone.